Let us study the structure of neuron in detail. Okay. I'll draw the diagram of neuron, which is somewhat like this. Actually, we have studied once while studying the different tissues of animal body. So now once again, see, this is the structure of neuron. So here these all are called as, okay, these are called as dendrites. These are called as dendrites. These branch-like structure, they are called as dendrites. And this one which is elongated, this part, actually it is called as axon. Okay. And this portion, it is called as cell body. It is called as cell body. It is also called as cyton. It is also called as cell body or cyton. This is axon. These are the dendrites. And axon, on that there will be myelin sheath. Axon is covered by myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. This is the nerve endings. Nerve ending. Okay. Even these are called as Schwann cells, and this is node of Ranvier and those many things. So this is the rough sketch of neuron. This is single nerve cell. As I mentioned, such lakhs of neurons are present in our nervous system. Generally what happens, messages, that is actually the messages are electrical impulses, electrochemical impulses. They enter through these dendrites and come out through axon. They enter through dendrites and come out through axon. After coming out through axon, they enter into another neuron again through dendrite, then come out through axon. So thus, these neurons are connected end to end. But we should remember one thing, though they are connected end to end, there is no physical connection between one neuron and the other neuron. There is gap between one neuron and other neuron. That gap is called as synapse. Now definitely the question arises, when the gap is synapse, how then the message will get transmitted from one neuron to another neuron? That is possible by chemical means. Sometimes these neurons, they entangle into one another to form knot-like structure, and it is called as nerve ganglia or simply ganglia. If you observe the nervous system of some of the lower invertebrate, there we don't find well-developed brain. There we find ganglia. Sometimes these neurons, they form into bundles, and what we call it as nerve fibers. We call it as nerve fibers. So this is all about neuron. I repeat once again, neuron is the structural and functional unit of our nervous system. We have lakhs of neurons in our nervous system, including in brain, spinal cord, etc. Each neuron is made up of two main structures, cell body and the axon. Cell body has nucleus at the center surrounded by cytoplasm. It is called as neuroplasm. The branches that arise from the cyton are called as dendrites, and the one long branch is called as axon. Axon is covered by myelin sheath. Messages always enter through dendrites and come out through axon. Though two neurons are interconnected, there occurs a gap called as synapse, and the messages pass through that by chemical means. Sometimes neurons, they entangle to form knot-like structure called as ganglia, and the bundle of neurons are called as nerve fibers. So all these things are very important thing that we should know about our nervous system.